The Hereafter 22. There are many narrations which discuss the celestial pool, such as the one found in Sahih Bukhari, number 6579. It advises that it takes a month to cross its entire length. Its smell is nicer than perfume, its water is whiter than milk, and the one who drinks from it once will never feel thirsty again. The last point is extremely important, as on Judgment Day, people will experience an extreme and unimaginable thirst. For example, the sun will be brought within 2 miles of the creation, which will cause people to sweat excessively. This is confirmed in a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2421. There is no doubt that every Muslim desires to drink from this pool, irrespective of the strength of their faith. But it is important to note that a Muslim should strive to make themselves worthy of drinking from it, instead of simply hoping to achieve this. This is achieved by fulfilling the commands of Allah, the Exalted, refraining from His prohibitions, and by facing destiny with patience according to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. In addition, Muslims must avoid the disobedience to Allah, the Exalted, especially those actions which prevent one from reaching the celestial pool. For example, a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 5996, warns that some Muslims who innovated evil things in Islam will be detained and prevented from reaching the celestial pool. Another narration found in Sunan and Nasai, number 4212, warns that those who support and believe the lies and wrong actions of the unjust rulers will not reach the celestial pool. So it is important for Muslims who desire to reach and drink from the celestial pool to avoid disobedience to Allah, the Exalted, and strive in His sincere obedience. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.